Grok crashes happen more often than you'd think. On various forums, users have reported their entire chat history vanishing into thin air after an app update, or even disappearing overnight for no apparent reason. Hi everyone, welcome to 4DDig. The Grok dialog may be caused by a synchronization failure, a temporary platform issue, or the file being moved to a hidden or deleted folder. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to recover your lost Grok chats and the defensive measures you can take to prevent it from happening again. Method 1. Check their recently deleted folder. Xi actually allows you to recover deleted conversations within 30 days. Even if you didn't manually delete them, a system glitch might have moved them here. Simply open Grok, head to Settings. Go to Data Controls and click Manage Undersea Deleted Conversations. If your chats show up here, just hit Restore. Method 2. Sync across devices and memory tip. Sometimes it's just a sync issue. Try logging out and back in on a different browser or device to see if your history reappears. Also, here's a pro tip under Data Controls. Make sure personalization with memory is toggled off. This helps Groks remember your project details and preferences, making future conversations much more seamless. The ultimate solution: 4DDig data recovery. If you've tried everything and your chats are still nowhere to be found, things get tricky. However, if you've ever copied your chats to a text file, taken screenshots, or even if your browser saved local cache files, you have one last failsafe. This is where 4DDig data recovery comes in. It's not magic, it's a powerful, deep scanning tool that can track down chat fragments, cache data, or deleted documents on your local drive that XA's servers can't reach. Just launch Tenorshare 4DDig, select the location where your data is located, and scan it. After a while, the deleted data will be displayed. You can find your lost files, like photos, video, and more. Select the data you want to recover and choose a storage location. So easy. Since Grok's cloud storage can be unstable, here are 3 methods to help you quickly back up your data before it's too late. Tip 1. The official export. Go to Settings, then Data Controls, and hit Export Account Data. Log in to your account as prompted. This gives you a full JSON archive of every conversation you've ever had. It's the ultimate safety net. Tip 2. Cloud sync via share link. For something faster, use the share icon, that little box with an upward arrow. Generate a shareable link and save it to your browser bookmarks or your Notion workspace. This keeps a beautifully formatted version of your chat alive in the cloud, even if the original session glitches out. Tip 3. Browser extension. Finally, if you're a power user, try browser extensions like your Scroll or AI Exporter. They let you download chats as a PDF, perfect for tutorials, or as markdown files, which you can drop straight into GitHub or your code editor with a single click. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the 4DDig channel for more tech guides and data recovery tips. See you